everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in our monthly giveaways, then make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure you hit that bell button, turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you live in the US, then comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I used this as an eyeshadow primer, so I just applied it all over my eyelid, and this will help with canceling out any discoloration that you may have, and it's going to make our eyeshadow appear a little bit more vibrant. I always set it in place with some translucent powder after I blend it out, and that's going to help the eyeshadows blend easier. So the eyeshadow palette that I'm going in with today is the ABH Norvina palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and the first shade that I went in with is the shade E3, and it's kind of like a mustardy beige shade, and I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions as my transition shade, kind of acting as the background shade before I go in with the darker shades. So you don't have to be too specific with this step. And then I went into the shade C5, and it's kind of like this deep wine matte shade, and I grabbed a defined angled brush and I put that shade a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye you can see the darkness evenly above my eye socket, if that makes sense. I hope I'm describing that good for you guys, but yeah, I just went in back and forth motions, really mapping out where I want to add that depth, and then I went back into the shade E3, which is the first shade that we used, and I just really blended that line out because even though we want definition, we still want it to be blended. And then I went into the shade C2, which is this gold shade, and I just packed that all over my eyelid. And the shade was really beautiful. And then I decided that I wanted to add a liquid liner, so the one that I'm going in with is the Urban Decay Perversion Black Liquid Liner. And for lashes, I went in with my Shop Sophie Bella lashes. Definitely check out the link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our lash brand and support our company. We appreciate you guys so much for your constant support on the lashes, and yeah, we're really excited to come out with more styles, so definitely stay tuned. And then I went back into the shade E3 just to add some depth on the lower lash line, mainly focusing that on the outer corner just to open up the eye even more. And then the last thing that I did was I added some lower lash mascara, and yeah, this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, thank you guys so much for all your constant support on our channel. We see you guys, we appreciate you guys, and we hope that you guys come back for more videos. And you guys are the reason why we do this, so we just want to give a big thanks. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye!